Hi, Paul Santisi here with a short and fascinating video. We have all heard to love unconditionally, right? To love thy neighbor. We have been told to love ourselves and to love others. So why do 95% of people struggle with allowing themselves to send and to receive unconditional love? The reason is that the true meaning of the word love has been misrepresented, in my opinion, to keep us confused. So we are unable to tap into and to utilize this magical universal law of love that we must adhere to in a very specific way in order to truly activate the law of attraction. Now, most people say that they love others, but the truth is that there is a major block, a huge block within their vibration that keeps them from being able to truly send and to receive love. And I've been looking around for a long time now, and I've been looking for others out there who could explain how the law of love truly works from a universal and energetic vantage point that was free from controlling faiths, religions, beliefs, falsehoods, or unproven logic. Now, what I found, folks, was shocking. The answers that most provide are subjective at best, and they're strongly influenced by a specific faith, religion, beliefs, falsehoods, and unproven logic. So I decided to record an audio myself and explain the truths about this law that no one else will ever share with you. And the reason they keep it such a secret is because they'll tell you to your face that they're spiritual, but the fact is that their egos are controlling them. And that's sad. It really, really is. On this audio, I reveal things about the law of love that have never been presented by anyone before, not like this. I break it down to the lowest core, so understanding it, applying it, and benefiting from it happens instantly, in the moment. I removed all the confusion, so anyone, regardless of any faiths, religions, or beliefs, can tap into and experience the law of love for all its power and glory. This audio will clear out the confusion by revealing in specific detail how the law of love actually works from a universal and energetic vantage point. This audio, folks, will release your ability to truly send and to receive unconditional love in the moment without any resistance. And that alone will change your life in the moment. Then, as a bonus, I took this a step further and I added in a very special high-level unconditional love demonstration where just by listening to it, you will truly feel and experience what unconditional love feels like. Trust me, most of you will say, I know what love is, Paul. I know what it's like to feel love. Maybe you do. Wait until you feel what unconditional love really feels like. It will leave you speechless, tingles all over your body. It will fill your heart and soul with so much self-worth, clarity, and power that you will never be the same. And I'll share with you this quick story. I sent this audio to a very powerful, very aware, and high-level mentor of mine, and she listened to it, and she told me that the way I presented this information was by far the best high-level truth on the law of love that she has ever heard. She said to me, she goes, "Do you think people are ready to hear this, Paul? Do you think they're ready?" I said, "In my gut, I feel that they are, yes." She said, "Then let them have it." And she said, "Keep shining your light," as she hung up the phone. If you're interested in more information on this jaw-dropping audio, there is a special link below in the description. And right now, for a limited time, I am offering you this audio for over 85% off the everyday price of $49.95. Right now, you can get your hands on it for pennies, folks, pennies, 85% off, only $7.77. And keep in mind that this is a limited time offer and the price can go up and probably will go up sooner than later. Also, I know this material is so spot on. I know it's presented. I know it will change your life as soon as you listen to it. I'm very confident in this audio. Therefore, I'm also giving you a full, unconditional, no questions asked, money-back guarantee. If this is not the best $7.77 that you ever spend on your own personal growth and development, you can have your money back. No problem, folks. I encourage you to get your hands on this audio, listen to it, and experience what the law of love is truly all about. Trust me, you'll be glad you did. Have a great day, everyone. Special link below in the description, and I look forward to hearing your very own personal success stories. Bye-bye.